This right here is the new OnePlus 6 in the brand new red color. What's up guys, my name is Vic Christoph with PhoneArena and it's time to unbox this baby and see what's inside the box and take a look at that stunning new red color version of the OnePlus 6. So let's take this trusty knife and take the plastic wrap off. Okay, and here is the box. Let's wiggle it out. And here it is, the brand new OnePlus 6 in red. You can see the phone up front. Wow, that looks really a saturated tint of red, excuse me. Let's take the labels off. Okay, it's time to take a look inside the box and see what do we have here. In a typical OnePlus fashion, very minimalist design. You have the USB-C to standard USB cable. You have the OnePlus Dash Charge fast charging wall charger. And inside this other box you have, here's what we get. You get some user manual, some literature, a SIM ejector tool, and you have this translucent case that will help you protect the OnePlus 6 for those first few days, and then you can get a better case if you prefer, but it's nice to have a case just for those first few days. So let's start up the phone and see how it works. And let's take a closer look at the OnePlus 6 in red from all different angles. And let's start up the phone. And you can see that it's powered by Android. You can see the OnePlus logo right here. You have a plastic screen protector on this phone that again you can use for the first few days, but if you want a better quality screen protector, we definitely recommend getting a tempered glass one from OnePlus. And on the back of the phone you see the very clear design, dual cameras, fingerprint scanner, OnePlus logo, and very prominently you can see designed by OnePlus. And this phone is truly a gorgeous device made in this saturated shade of red, and the sides are also red. You can see on one side you have the volume keys and the SIM card slot, and on the other hand you have the mute switch and the power button. So there we go, we have started up the phone, so let's set it up real quick. Start and choose the OnePlus Slate, OnePlus own font, which looks really good. Okay, and let's continue setting the phone up. Have the system stability, push notifications, agree to everything, skip this setup as new, and skip the Wi-Fi network, so we can just really quickly take a look at the interface. And skip the face unlock system. You have a fingerprint identification system and face unlock on this phone, and boom, we are in. This is the default wallpaper. Let's turn the brightness up a little bit, and here's what you get. No bloatware, just clean Android interface, something that is a signature for the OnePlus series. On the side you have this little menu where you can quickly see some widgets, your recent contacts, apps, dashboard, the amount of available storage. And in terms of apps, you get mostly Google apps and a few OnePlus apps, really nothing in excess. Let's take this phone for one more spin, take a look at it from the back side, the sides, the bottom of the phone. And here's how the red version of the phone compares to the black one. Of course, it's hard to recommend using a case with such a beautiful device, but it's made out of glass, so beware that if glass breaks, it will be an expensive repair. And that's it guys, a quick look at the red OnePlus 6. Let us know what you think about this phone. Are you planning on getting it? The price is the same as on other color versions of the OnePlus 6. Thanks for watching this video. Like if you enjoyed watching this video, subscribe to our channel for more, and I will see you in the next one.